Okay, my name is Aung Fred Atabong. I'm a postgraduate student from the University of Boya, and I'm here at Lake Barombi. It's a wonderful view out here. Lake Barombi is located in Kumba, in the southwest region of Cameroon. It is found at the Cameroon volcanic chain and is the largest volcanic lake in this region. It is one of the oldest radiocarbon dated lakes in Africa and is until now characterized by 15 species of fishes, such as endemic catfish. It's really nice out here. The Lake Barombi also has a forest reservoir, which is characterized with a lot of different quality of trees, many species of animals and birds. It is a protected area and almost all aquatic species as well as wildlife surrounding it are seriously threatened by pollution and sedimentation from human activities and potential large emission of carbon dioxide. Lake Barombi is a Mare crater lake that was formed as a result of volcanicity. This lake serves as a hydrological center of Kumba and its environ. Across the lake, you find the Mbo village, and the population over there are mostly engaged in cocoa farming.